Welcome back YouTube. Today we're doing another perfect haircut.
What's good, you guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my tapers. Using my wall detailers, I like to start by outlining my perimeter. So I'm just going to line up his neck and then around the ears, and then I'm going to start my taper. The first step in any taper that I do is putting in my guide with my trimmer, and then I take the Wall Vanish shaver and I pull it out underneath. Now I'm using my Wall Magic clips with the lever open to set my second guide. I'm going about 3/4 of an inch above the trimmer line, and because of the density and darkness of his hair, I'll be stretching this guide a little bit more than my others. So now I'm just going to be blending out my first guideline. I like to work in sections, so I'll blend out a guide at a time. I'm just playing with my lever until I see an even contrast throughout that section. After that's blended out, I set in my third guideline with my one guard, lever closed. I'm going about 1/4 to 1/2 an inch above my last. And then I attach my half clip and I blend out my previous guide. Now I'm gonna focus on taking down the bulk using my 3 guard, lever closed. And then I attach my 2 guard, and now I'm just gonna blend down until that last guide disappears. Now I have my 1.5 clip attached, and again just focusing on that line and try not to push the fade any higher. Then I'll start descending in guard lengths until I'm satisfied with the blend. I'm using the corners and playing with the lever to pick out the more dense areas. So to start my side tapers, I always outline the perimeter first and then set in my guide with my trimmers. I do both sides, check for balance before moving on. Shave underneath, being sure I flick out about 1/4 of an inch away from my guide. Now, due to the difference in the density from the sides to the back, I am going to be blending down on my side tapers. I have my 1.5 clip, lever open, and I'm keeping my pressure really light so that I don't leave any harsh lines. Then I attach my 1 guard, lever open, and slowly close it as I blend down. Now that I have my half clip attached, I'm keeping mental guidelines, making sure I don't go above where I placed the previous guard. Then I remove the clip, and now I'm playing with the lever until that trimmer line disappears. Now that I have finished one side, I'm just going to repeat the exact same steps on the opposite side. After I finish the taper, I'm taking my notching shear and I'm blending the 3 guard into the top. And because he does have curly hair, I want to make sure I'm maintaining a lot of weight on the sides so that I can keep that triangular shape. Here's the finished look. I appreciate you for giving me the opportunity to show you how I cut hair. I hope this tutorial was helpful in any way. If you have any questions or anything to add that might help someone else, please put it in the comments. And I'd very much appreciate it if you would also like and share this video.